Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Surya Rifki Fadila. I'm from Group 2, Class 4 SC6, and in this video, my friend and I will presentation the project that we make. The implementation of library management using framework code Igniter with HMVC technique. And there is four content in this presentation. First one is introduction. This is where I introduce you the journal, about the journal that we use as a reference, and next is the method that the journal review, and next is the output of the implementation, and the last one is conclusion. Okay, first I will tell you the introduction of the journal project. This journal named Implementasi Manajemen Perpustakaan menggunakan framework Code Igniter dengan teknik hierarchical model view controller. And the creator of the journal discussing about the development of the computer technology and the widely used in various field of work, including library management system. And the creator is discussing about implement a digital management system to a library in a high school where the management system is still using a manual one, and the developer of the system management using Code Igniter framework to make management program and using hierarchical model view controller, where this is a development version of design pattern of the model view controller. So the MVC concept introduced with the aim of making it easier to web application developer. So the developing of the application to create website is growing rapidly nowadays. Many website maker application providing many facilities such as plugins and libraries that make it easier to the developers to build a website. Next is the method that the developer use to build the digital system management of the library. The method that the developer use in the system is waterfall method. Waterfall method is a classic method that systematic and easy to understood because of its sequential in the stage of building software. The waterfall model is a linear project management approach where stakeholder and the customer requirements are gathered at the beginning of the project, and then a sequential project plan is created to accommodate those requirements. The waterfall model is so named because each phase of the project cascades into the next, following steadily down like a waterfall. It's a two-row structure methodology and one that's been around for a long time because it works. Some of the industries that regularly use the waterfall model include construction, IT, and software development. However, the term waterfall is usually used in a software context, and there are three phases of the waterfall model according to Pressman analysis: design, codes, and test. Okay, the first step of the waterfall model is the analysis. This is the phase where the developer gathering the requirement of the system. The developer gathering all information data that required to make a system, and then analyzing the eligibility to be used. The basis for the next design process is the database design of the library. And next is the design structure, and after analyzing the requirement of the system, the developer will make a clear scheme of what needs to be done. The system design can be divided into two parts. There are system design in general and design in detail. And as you can see, there are three design: the model, view, and the controller. First one is the model. The model represents the data structure of the system, usually in form of access data like text or XML files. The model usually contains classes and functions that relating to access the database. You can see the model of the system of the library management, and there is a view structure. The structure is the information that is displayed to the website visitor. In this structure doesn't really contain code logic, but it is only contain the variable that contains data that are ready to be displayed. And the last one is the controller, where this is work as a connector between model and the view. The structure contain classes and function that processing the request from the view to data structure inside the model. And the last step of the waterfall model is the code. And the last step of the waterfall model is the code or coding, where the developer implement the design into a program code using PHP programming language, because it is an open source programming language, and the developer implement the library system using MVC based code igniter framework. At this phase, the design that has been created will be represented in a language that can be understood by a computer, which will be run on a website based network. And next, my friend Dia Zafira will continue the presentation.
Hello, my name is Dia Zafira and I will continue the presentation. Third, output. In this library management system, there are several features or facilities include book management that are new book, data input, book search, book stock, self-information, and then ebook that used by students to download ebook list provided by management, and then membership management that contain new member registration, borrowing books, returning books, and managing reports. In this library management system, there are three types of right user access, namely admin, officer, and student. All the facilities in this system can be used by admin. Then the officer can only manage borrowing and returning books, member management, and report management. And the last is student. There are several menus, namely ebook download menu, book list, borrowing information, and more book return information. And last, conclusion. By review paper of the topic implementation of library management using framework code igniter or CI with hierarchical model view controller or HMVC technique, created by Ari Muzakir, a student from Bina Dharma University, it can be concluded that HMVC is the concept of developing an application based on modular. By implementing e-library management based on the Code Igniter or CI framework with the HMVC concept, it provides ease for system developers in utilizing existing program code. The library management system at SMAN 1 Sungai Lilin runs well on the website network. The two of us make this project to complete the project assignment. Hopefully, this project can be useful for all of us. Thank you for all of your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.